hips are 37, so I've lost about ½ an inch in my waist and hips. Good news. Thighs are under 21 now, they're about 20 and a half. So I'm losing almost ½ an inch, or about ½ an inch in my waist, my hips, and my thighs. So about ½ an inch everywhere. Getting smaller is so much fun. Weight is 136.4. So weight is still about the same, but measurements are getting smaller. I did 500 jumping jacks yesterday, and I did some lunges, and I did some stomach exercises. So I'm feeling tighter today. I had a banana for breakfast and some melon. So what do you do when you get a really bad sweet craving, like you just want some chocolate? Bananas are good for sweet cravings. Like if you're craving some chocolate cookies or something, just cut up a bunch of bananas and put them in a bowl. Because we eat bananas with chocolate a lot, regularly. Like with ice cream, banana split sundaes and everything. So bananas will kind of curb your chocolate cravings a little bit. Well, for me they do. Just cut them up, put them in a bowl, eat them. Bananas and strawberries are kind of ice cream sundae-ish. Dates are really good. I don't have any with me right now. I'm going to go get some today, later on. But anything really sweet, carob, if you can get a hold of some raw carob, it's really rare. Well, at least where I live, it's really rare. They don't sell it anywhere. But if you can find some raw carob, or even some raw cacao beans that are not processed, I would say those are healthier than eating a chocolate bar. So dates are really good. Bananas are really good. Because I have that problem. I have a really bad sweet tooth. And I'm always getting cravings for something really, really sweet. So, then again, it's also just a choice you have to make. It can be difficult sometimes when you see these commercials and you go out and there's just these decadent, sweet, heavy, heavy sweet foods everywhere. And yeah, they look good, but you just can't eat them all day, every day, because you will get big, most likely. And would you rather eat heavy sweets and be big, walk around big, just live as a big person, or would you rather be healthy and thin, look good, and make a decision to eat healthy food? Also, you don't get stomach aches after you eat healthy food, dates and bananas. No stomach aches, no sagging skin, because heavy sweets will dry out your skin and make your skin sag. They're very dehydrating. So again, it's just one of those choices you have to make. Do you want to give in to that heavy sweet addiction and walk around as a big person, or do you want to be fit and healthy and look good and make the right decision? It's not going to make you vomit or give you stomach aches. And keep your skin looking good into old age. So, you can probably get away. Just don't eat that stuff all day, every day, like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and snacks all in between. Eat it maybe for a snack for lunch, and then all your other meals be healthy, raw meals. You might be able to get away with being skinny that way. Just don't eat it all day, every day. Just once a day, or once every 2 days, once every 3 days, or once a week. You know, if you eat heavy, junky sweets all day, every day, your teeth are going to be compromised. Your skin is going to start to dehydrate and sag and wrinkle. And I can literally feel my skin sagging when I eat heavy sweets, all that processed stuff. And you're going to get a big belly and, you know, big everything all around. So just don't eat this stuff all day, every day. Like I said, you can get away with maybe once a day or once every 2 days. And just make all your other meals healthy, raw meals. You know, just as little as possible. It's like the two boys with the cookies. The thin boy was eating 1 cookie, you know, a very small amount of junk food, and the larger boy had 3 cookies stacked on top of each other. And that's why he was big, because he probably eats like that all the time. So if you eat small amounts of junk food, you might be able to get away with still being thin and exercise at the same time. So, but you just have to experiment like what I'm doing, what's going to make you big and what's going to make you small, and what you're going to be able to get away with. But like I said, I like to feel good inside, so I usually try to eat as much raw fruit as possible. Just get it in your body. If you just start eating it, your body will adjust to those flavors and the high, watery texture, and your body will begin to like it and crave that other stuff less and less. Also, I noticed that whereas I used to sit down with a box of cookies and eat the whole entire box, like really quickly, maybe in one night, the more you eat fruit, the less you will do that. Just a couple of cookies will satisfy you, and after a couple of cookies you think, ugh, I don't want any more of that, and you eat less and less. You don't eat the whole box anymore. So just try it. Just get fruit in your body, and your body will adjust. Okay?